Hello and welcome to the BEPOP PC EX software explanation video series. This video will cover how to make a reverse print of this data here so you can apply it to a window, as well as how to make barcodes and some various other functions of the new BEPOP PC EX software. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to use one of our bilingual Spanish and English templates to get started here. First, we're going to select this data, and then we're going to use this icon here to flip the data around so that when it's printed on a clear vinyl roll, it can be applied to the inside of a window and read from the outside of a window. So it really is that simple. After you make your data for your sign, all you have to do is click this button here, and it'll flip the data around for you. Alright, making barcodes. Here we have a barcode icon. You can click on it up here. There are many different types of barcodes. EAN, UPC, code 39, code 128, as well as basic QR codes. On top of that, there are various settings for the different barcodes as far as size, model, improvement level, and various other settings. Let's get started with a QR code. QR codes are useful because you can put in both letters and numbers into a code. If we're going to try and make this as a different type of barcode, some of them can only use numbers. In the case that it can only use numbers, this OK button will appear as a gray button and it will not be able to be pressed. So what you have to do is delete the previous data and enter numbers until you've reached the correct amount of numbers for the barcode type that you're trying to use. So once you have the correct amount of digits, you press OK and it will get imported into the software. You can adjust the size of the barcode the same way as you would with any other object in the software by clicking and dragging on one of these anchor points. Other features of the software that are convenient would probably be the bordering function up here, this F function. What it does is allows you to border the outline of any shape that you have in the software. So for example, if you had a recycling sticker that you wanted to make, you just import the symbol, click on the bordering icon, and decide on your bordering length. In this case, we probably only want to border the outside of the label, so we're going to click here on the cut outer border only. So as you see, it's drawn a line around the outer edge of the label, and this blue line will be the actual cut line when it's printed in the software. You can also use this same function to make an interesting sign shape by mixing your use of different shapes in the software. And using that same bordering function to make a sign shape with a sort of specialized shape to it. The last and final function that I want to introduce to you right now is the ability to import images and documents into the software. To import an image or document, you come up here to the Insert Object icon. If you're going to import an image, you select Insert Image. Here we can come to a picture of our logo if you wanted. and just insert it as a JPEG image. You could also insert any type of document of the following: an Excel, a Word, or PowerPoint document. So let's go to look at some of these Excels that we have here. Explanation for video, we use this in a different explanation for an other video. So if you want to find out which video it is, then please watch all the videos. So as you import the file, it's going to come in like this, and it'll come in and look just like any typed up file on a spreadsheet. And if you double click on this object, you'll be able to edit the file directly. And then return it back to the BEPOP PCX standard layout. Alright, so those are some of the commonly used functions that are quick and easy and enjoyable to use with this software. So that's it for this explanation. Thank you for using the BEPOP system, and please look at our other videos.